The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Cricket Wireless, guys. So I'm on prepaidfinance.com here, and today I'm talking about Cricket Protect here, as you guys can see. So this is very interesting here. So it says add protection to your device with Cricket Protect. So let's check this out. It says Cricket Wireless is now giving you a way to protect your device against theft, damage, or loss. Earlier today, or yesterday rather, the AT&T prepaid brand announced its latest service called Cricket Protect Open Enrollment. Based on their announcement, the service will be available for a limited time only. So this is interesting, guys, is they've had Cricket Protect for a long while, I guess, you know what I'm saying? But I guess in this one, they announced its latest service, which is Cricket Protect Open Enrollment. So I guess you have like an enrollment period that you can get on this if you guys ain't got it already. If you have an eligible device, you can add it. You can add Cricket Protect to your account, so it can be protected against damages, loss, theft, and even water damage. The announcement shows that Cricket Protect can be added within the first 7 days of activation or upgrade. So do keep that in mind, alright? So if you guys get a new phone, or if you guys are coming up with wireless or whatever, and you guys want to get Cricket Protect, you guys have to you guys have to get it within the first 7 days. Keep that in mind, guys, alright? But if you miss the period, you have until March 25th, 2018 to enroll your device. So if you let's say you guys switched to Cricket Wireless, you got a device or whatever, you didn't put all phone insurance on it for whatever reason, because you probably didn't want to at the time, and you guys want to get phone insurance, now is the time to do it. You guys got till March 25th to do it. So I suggest you guys check it out, alright? Phone insurance is very important, guys, especially if you guys buy like an $800, $900 phone. You need to have phone insurance on that thing. If it's a $30 phone, he really gives a fuck, you know what I'm saying? But if it's like a $1,000 phone, put insurance on that bitch, alright? Seriously. So yeah, it says once your device is enrolled in the service, you'll be able to get the following: comprehensive phone and coverage, fast and convenient replacement process, unexpected replacement expense protection. So that's good. Part of the reason why Cricket decided to offer this service is so they can provide assistance to the customers who encounter problems with their devices. No device is perfect. Every device will have issues, so keep that in mind. As you guys probably know, that no phone is perfect. Every phone will have issues and shit like that. So yeah, phone insurance is a great thing to have. It says, based on the 2015 study conducted by Assurant Mobile Claims data, 1 in 5 devices get lost, stolen, or damaged. Adding to this, 100% of such incidents take place within the first 12 months of the device. Yeah, you know, like I said, no phone is perfect. You'll have issues. Sometimes it can be software related, hardware related. It could be anything like that. It just could be, you know, shit like that, where you can have like, you know, a bug on your phone, or it can, like an issue where like your phone just completely fucks up. It says with Cricket's Protect service in place, you can get the insurance you need for your device. If you're interested in enrolling your device in the service, all you need to do is bring the eligible device you purchased from Cricket, or bring a BYOP phone to your nearby Cricket Wireless store. The device should be in good working condition and should be brought to the store before March 25th, so you can have it enrolled in the service. You check out the other devices here. So, if you guys like missed the, let's say, if you guys like bought a device and but then put phone insurance on it when you got it for whatever reason, now you have another chance to do it, which is good because phone insurance is very important. If you buy $8,000 phone, phone insurance is important. If you bought like a $30 phone, who really gives a fuck about phone insurance on a $30 phone? You can just buy another one. But anyways, this time Cricket's calling it Cricket Protect Open Enrollment. So you got till March 25th to bring you got till March 25th to enroll in the service, and I suggest you guys do that if you guys have not done so already. If you're a new customer or an existing customer, phone insurance is very important, and I suggest you guys get phone insurance. It's very, very important. So yeah, you need to bring the eligible device to a Cricket store, alright? So you need to take it to a Cricket store and they'll set you up with that. And in the last sentence in this paragraph says part of the reason why Cricket decides to offer the service. The last sentence says adding to the 70% of such incidents take place within the first 12 months of the device. And that's true for a lot of devices out there like mine. I had to get my V20 replaced because I was having issues with my V20. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was a bad software update or whatever happened to my phone. It was like whatever happened. It fucked up my phone so bad. It fucked it up so bad. My phone was pretty much useless. I couldn't even use my phone because apps would just force close randomly, and they would force close it like every fucking 5 seconds. And it was a pain in the ass. I tried to do a factory reset. Nothing helped. But replacing the phone did help, and my replacement V20 is doing pretty well. It's not perfect. If you get a replacement phone, keep in mind that you're getting a refurbished phone, and you could encounter issues and stuff like that. So keep that in mind. So I don't recommend you guys, if you guys are looking to get a pre-owned phone, I recommend you guys don't get one. But when you get a replacement phone, it's a refurbished phone. So do keep that in mind. Cause you could have issues with it. So that's what, just keep that in mind. I mean, my replacement V20 is working pretty well. Is it perfect? Fuck no. So, I've been through this shit before about getting phone replacements. I've been through it a whole bunch of fucking times, man. So, it sucks to get your phone replaced, but shit happens, man. And phone insurance is a great thing to have. So, yeah. So let's go check out more information about the Cricket Protect. So you go here. It says your phone is an important part of your life. Isn't it worth protecting it? In fact, 1 in 5 devices is lost, stolen, or damaged every day, and 70% of these types of incidents occur within the first 12 months. From leaving your phone at a restaurant to accidentally dropping it in the pool or anything else life can throw at it, Cricket Protect has you covered with comprehensive phone coverage to meet your real-life needs. Fast and convenient replacement process to get a working phone back in your hand. Protection from hidden phone replacement costs and fees. Cricket Protect is an optional feature that can be purchased with new phones or phone upgrades, and some phones that are previously owned bought to Cricket bring your own phone. Some certified pre-owned devices and less expensive phones are not eligible for Cricket Protect. Like I said, like a $30 phone, you don't need it if you don't need phone insurance on that shit. You got till March 25th to enroll, so I suggest you guys do that. I suggest you guys get phone insurance, period. Program details, covered equipment, phone, standard battery, standard wall charger, and SIM card. So if your phone fucks up, your battery fucks up, your wall charger fucks up, your SIM card fucks up, I don't know how the hell your SIM card fuck up. Either that or you're stupid, or either that or something happens to your SIM card. I don't know what could happen to your SIM card. You can lose your SIM card, you can accidentally cut your SIM card in half or whatever. Cover incidents, lost stuff, accidental physical damage or liquid damage, in warranty exchanges and out of warranty mechanical and or electrical malfunction. Does not cover cosmetic damage. Replacement device may be new or refurbished of the same or a like kind and quality model. So sometimes you could get a new phone, sometimes, but most of the time you get a refurbished phone most of the time. Phone color, brand, model, and features may be different. Compatibility of accessories is not guaranteed. Expedited shipping offered for in-warranty exchanges. Monthly premium $7 per month. Deductible varies from $10 to $250 per approved claim, depending on the phone model. Holy shit. Claim limits 2 per 12 months. Maximum replacement value up to $1,500 per claim. Cancellation policy. Enrollment is optional. You can cancel at any time without any penalty, so that's good. But I don't know why you would want to cancel phone insurance. Things you should know about Quick Protect. Your client has 2 agreements: insurance and service contract, insurance, and all that shit. So I'm not gonna read all that shit. You can read that for yourselves there. It says open enrollment. If you're outside the first 7 days of activating your eligible phone with Cricket and are not enrolled in Cricket Protect, you can still add Cricket Protect during the open enrollment period. The open enrollment period runs from February 11th to March 25th. You can enroll if you meet these criteria. So if you guys meet those requirements there, you can get Quick Protect on your phone, even if you had your phone for a while and didn't do it in the first 7 days. So let's see what phones are covered in this thing. It tells you what's Quick Protect. These are all the phones that are I think these are all bring your own phones. So these are all bring your own phones right here, and they got a lot of basically Apple and Samsung devices. They got like the iPhone 6, the 7, 8 SE, the S7, S8, the iPhone 6, iPhone SE, iPhone 8, and all that, iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, and all that. So this is bring your own devices here, as you guys can see. So if you guys want to check this out, go to cricketwireless.com, go to plans and features, then click on Quick Protect, and then you guys can get more information about that. So check that out, and like I said, I suggest you guys get phone insurance, man. It's worth it. It's a lot better than having to pay for a new phone. But keep in mind, most of the time you'll get a refurbished replacement phone. Most of the time, sometimes you will get a new phone, you'll get a brand new replacement phone. It depends on the situation. Though. Let's say just like you had to get your phone replaced, and the phone that you need to get replaced is not in stock, or they don't have it in stock anymore. They'll send you a brand new phone of a different kind. So most of the time, but that's good if you get a new replacement phone. But most of the time, you get a refurbished phone. Most of the time, and you get a replacement phone. So keep that in mind, guys. Alright. So if you guys didn't sign up for Quick Protect when you guys first got your phone, you guys want to do it now, I suggest you guys do it. You guys got till March 25th. I suggest you guys do that shit now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please comment, subscribe. But thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.